Okay, we cut some slits. Okay, now we put in the ginger in the slits that we have made. Just push them in, yeah, like this. Push it in, and the other side as well. The next thing is these are coriander roots. Take them and just push it in the stomach. So this way it will take away all the smell. At the same time, the excess ginger, put it on the leaves, the gills, all this area. We now add like whatever you want to put inside. It does not necessarily have to be, salted vegetables and things like that. Use what you have in your area. I'm in Frankfurt right now, so I make use of things that I have. You mix all this together. You can add a little bit of water if you figure it's a bit too thick, yeah? I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I've added in a little bit of water, so I'm just going to sprinkle this throughout. Some white pepper all over. Just sprinkle a tiny bit of salt, just in case. Not too much, because the soya sauce is salty. And a little bit of sesame oil. I love sesame oil. And then you keep this in the fridge for half an hour before you steam it. As you can see here, I'm heating up my oven. My oven is also a steamer, so if you don't have a steamer oven, just use the conventional steamer that you use on the stove. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the oven so you have an idea of how the fish looks like. Super! Makan time!